Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA not recording issues. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come here, click on this arrow, and I want you to close any background application that is messing with NVIDIA recording. For example, if you have any browsers open, just go ahead and right click here, click on exit. If you have Discord as well, that also messes with it. Just right click, click on quit Discord. And also Netflix, you need to remove that. Microsoft Teams, things like these, just quit them. Okay, and then you just come here, click on the search bar, and just go ahead and type in installed apps. And what I need you to do is I need you to come here and just search for a GeForce, because we need to uninstall this. If you have it here, go ahead and click on the three dots, just like this one, for example. And then I want you to click on uninstall, because what we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing this app right here. This is the NVIDIA app. I want you to come here and download this from your browser. Open this up, download it, install it, open up the NVIDIA app, and then come here on the left-hand panel, click on settings. Now, why we're doing this, because GeForce is actually the older version, okay? It is not compatible anymore. You need to go ahead and get NVIDIA, and then you need to go ahead and make sure NVIDIA overlay is toggled on. And then you can press Alt plus Z to open up the overlay, or you can click on this button as well. And then you'll see record is actually Alt plus F9. Just remember the shortcuts, okay? That's all you have to do, and then it should be working. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.